everyone. Good morning. How are you all? All are good? Yes? Okay. So, children, let's start our session first with the prayer. Okay? So, everyone, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. So, let's start, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good. So children, as you all know that we have started with the theme book 2 and the name of the theme is All About Me. Okay. So in this book today we are going to start with page number 6. On this page number 6 you have a song. I hope you all have learned this song in your nursery session, right? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. So children, what is this rhyme about? This rhyme is about your body parts. Head, nose, eyes, mouth, lips, ears, right? Tongue, hands and legs. These are your body parts, right? And you use your body parts for doing different activities. You can see with your eyes, you can smell with the help of your nose, you can eat, you can speak with the help of your mouth, you can hear with the help of the ears, you can do any work with the help of the hands, right? So you use your body parts for doing different activities, and you have already learned this rhyme in your nursery section. Now what we will do, we will learn this rhyme once again. Before singing the song, before starting with this song, I will show you some images of the rhyme so that it will be easy for you to understand the body parts in this rhyme. Okay? So let's start, children. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, right? Got it? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, right? Which are the body parts that is said in this first sentence? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, then eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Okay, these are the body parts which is given for you all in this rhyme. I repeat: head, shoulders, knees, toes, eyes, ears, mouth and nose. Okay, so what we will do, we will sing this rhyme once again all together. Okay, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, right? So children, this was this song which is given for you all. Okay, once again we will start. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, right? Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Understood, children? याद आया? ये राइम आपने लास्ट ईयर नर्सरी में सीखा था ना? Now in your Zoom session we will do the actions properly. I will play the song and you can listen to the music and even you can do the actions all together. Okay, once again we will repeat this song. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Okay, children? Now I'll show you the page on the screen from which you have to learn this song. So children, here is the page. Here you can see the song. Listen to the song. Okay, So in your Zoom session, I will play this song and we will do the actions all together. Meanwhile, repeat the song after me. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, children. Now after that, you there is some actions which is given for you all that we will do in your Zoom sessions. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Now you have to learn this song. Okay, and I'll teach you the actions too. Thank you. Bye bye.